Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change highlight color opacity or make highlight color transparent in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and go Tools option and select Comment option. Now click on this highlight color option and here you will find this highlight color already activated and click this color option and here you will find this transparent option opacity. See this. Also let another highlight color, red color, and drag your mouse select and click here. This is opacity, see this. Yeah, this is. In this we can change or highlight color opacity and make it transparent. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.